Welcome back to another technical video. Today we're going to be going through your question, answering it, and hopefully finding that solution for you. Guys, remember to stay just a little bit crazy like me, and hopefully you get to that resolution. Now, let's continue on to the video. And that's it, guys. We've gone through. I hope you found your resolution and found the answer you're looking for. If it helped, please hit subscribe. I really appreciate it. And be on the lookout for more technical help videos. Have a good one.